All right, so we're here in the Botanical Gardens. Look at the beautiful butterflies flying by. There's Princess. We're here today, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know which way to go. All I see is so many butterflies. Which way should we go, babe? It's a lot of people going down there, so let's go a different way. Wow, what are these?
It looks like lettuce.
It does look like some type of lettuce. Ooh, how pretty. Can I have my glasses? Oh, I do have them. So we are in the gardens, and I love it. You have some mustard greens down there. This is a huge apricot tree. They have tomatoes and roses and everything growing. Oh my gosh, the butterflies are everywhere. I think this is lettuce. Right here. Oh my gosh, tomatoes. Those are beets. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it here. Is that the grapevine? Let me find out. Girl, let me find out. Those are the grapes. No, those aren't grapes. Those are like, I don't know, some type of zucchini or something. Oh, I love it here. What are those, pumpkins? Those have to be like pumpkins or something. Look. They look like pumpkin, zucchini maybe. Oh, I love it. Please do not steal this food. Ooh, gardeners here rent plots and work hard for their food. You are hungry, ask permission. I know that's right. That's a good sign to have. It says, if you are hungry, ask permission, and I love that. I love that. Okay. I can't flip this. Who's that? It says, please don't take the food. If you're hungry, ask permission. Okay, that's beautiful. Who do we ask if I want something? This is so good. I love this. Ooh, cilantro. Cilantro. I love this. Milkweeds. Ooh, these beautiful blue Monarch butterfly habitat. These are gorgeous. Oh, these are purple. They look blue through my glasses. Look at this. Just amazing. Just gorgeous. And so are these blue ones. Just absolutely beautiful. These bumblebees are a little different over here. You seen the different bumblebees? Look it. One's right here. See him? He's different. What? What is it? Aww. This is so cute. I just love it here. Yeah, she'll, I can take her. Okay. Because she'll have you there all day. You have to control her. Let her know who the boss is. What type of tree is this? So many butterflies. Pollinator Habitat.
Oh yeah,
All the butterflies. Ooh, let's go to this beautiful orange patch of flowers. So what do you want to do next, honey? Oh, excuse you, little bee. People coming through. There's Princess living her best life. Wow, what are these beautiful white flowers? These are gorgeous. How pretty is that? Okay, look at this, super cute. It says an Airbnb. It's for the bees. This is the hotel where the bees live. So bees can go in there and make their homes. It's so cute. They have holes inside of everything with little straws. So the bees can go in there and do their thing. And then they have a cute little sign over here that tells you about it. It says this is the Bees Hotel, and it's a habitat for 1,600 plus species of native nesting bees. These bees are special. They don't have a queen. All they do is pollinate our fruits and vegetables. That's why bees are so important. And I love it here. And it says no walking on the flowers. Of course not. Who would do such a thing? Wow, all the bees. Are you afraid? Ooh, a butterfly. It's gorgeous out here today. There's butterflies everywhere. Okay, wanna switch? Here, you're the cameraman. Gotta put baby to work. Get some good footage. So it's looking a little dry over here. I love those types of plants. It's a beautiful morning. Hi. Welcome to the beautiful garden. One day I'll have space like this. Oh, a squirrel. Look, Princess. The butterfly. Come here, little butterfly. Land on me. I'm available. All right, Princess. You're getting picked up. So we're taking a little break from walking. We're going to get some snacks in the good pack. I always have to have snacks. Well, we're taking a little break for snacks because snacks are good. You want to start with those? Save me some of those. And then we have Reese's and we have Mr. Good Bars. I'm going to go in with the Mr. Good Bar. The Hershey's. Okay. So I'm just out here enjoying my good skin, sis, in this sunshine. And it's absolutely beautiful out here. I just took a cute picture. I'll be posting that later. So right now we're walking through the succulent garden. And the succulents, of course, were huge and beautiful. I love the cactus. Don't fall into that cactus. Here's Princess. She's doing her thing. There's some more poppies. Beautiful butterflies everywhere. This gorgeous, gorgeous succulent. You always see these succulents everywhere you go at the plant stores. Love it here. Beautiful trees. Princess is doing her thing. I have to, y'all, Princess and these squirrels are not about to stress me out. Come on, Stink. Princess and these squirrels. Uh-oh, here's Babe's favorite flower. So how does it feel to stand close to your favorite flowers?
Oh my gosh, it feels so amazing.
What are the names of your favorite flowers?
Birds of paradise.
Yes. Are you?
Yeah, so when you go out, follow the trail out, the double gate, find the door closed on the other side over there.
Okay, so we have to walk around?
Yeah, you're gonna have to go out that way. The gate over here is closed already.
Okay,
that's
got
the
it.
way out. It's gonna be
Okay. You guys close at 4?
4 or 5, yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right.
Well, that was so nice. Did you get a picture of Birds of Paradise? Get you a picture, baby. Look at Prin. Get your picture. We have to go. It was beautiful. We'll have to come again and finish it.